In this question, we have to find out the speed of the boat in still water and that of the stream. For this, we have to consider the speed of the boat in still water as x km per hour and the speed of the stream is y km per hour. Next, we have to see what is downstream and what is upstream. Speed of boat in downstream means the boat has to come to seashore from sea. So, the direction of the boat and the stream directions are same. So in this case, we have to add these two values, that is speed of boat in still water plus speed of stream. So speed of boat in downstream we can consider as x plus y. Next we see what is upstream. Upstream means, that is speed of boat in upstream means boat has to go from seashore to sea. So the speed of boat in still water is greater than speed of the stream. So we get speed of boat in still water minus speed of the stream. So the equation for speed of boat in upstream is x minus y. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. Rearranging these values, we get time is equal to distance by speed. This is the first statement in this question. So here we have to convert this statement in this format. So a boat covers 32 kilometer upstream and 36 kilometer downstream in 7 hours. So in 7 hours, that is time is equal to distance in upstream divided by upstream speed plus distance in downstream divided by downstream speed. Distance here, upstream distance is 32, downstream distance is 36. So time is in 7 hours. So 7 is equal to 32 by upstream speed is x minus y and downstream distance is 36 divided by that downstream speed is x plus y. Next we have to change the second statement in this format. So here it takes 9 hours, 40 kilometer for upstream and 48 kilometer downstream. So the equation is 9 is equal to 40 divided by x minus y plus 48 divided by x plus y. This is also a complicated form only. So here we have to change this equation into simplest form. So for this we consider 1 by x minus y as u and 1 by x plus y as v. Substituting these two values in these two equation, we get 7 is equal to 32u plus 36v and 9 is equal to 40u plus 48v. So here I am going to solve this equation by cross multiplication method. For that we have to bring this constant value to left hand side. So this 7 and 9 gets a negative sign. Otherwise we can solve this equation by elimination method. So for cross multiplication we have to take this variables u, v and a constant for 1. Again I have written this u. Next, we have to take this coefficients of u values, that is 30 to 40, coefficients of v values, that is 36 and 48, and the constant value minus 7, minus 9. Again, I am repeating the same u value. Next, we have to consider u is equal to v is equal to 1. And we have to consider these values as the numerator and the denominator value for each variable. For u, we have to consider these two columns. So multiplying these two values, that is minus 9, 36 first. Next we have to put negative sign. Then multiplying these two values, we get minus of minus 7 into 48. Similarly for v value, we get we have to multiply these two columns, that is minus 7 into 40. Next we have to put negative sign. Then we have to multiply these two values, that is minus 9 into 32. For 1 we have to multiply this 48 into 32 minus 40 into 36. Simplifying this denominator values, we get finally u by 12 is equal to v by 8 is equal to 1 by 96. Now we have u by 12 is equal to v by 8 is equal to 1 by 96. So that we can equate u by 12 is equal to 1 by 96. Similarly, v by 8 is equal to 1 by 96. Rearranging this equation, that is u is equal to 12 by 96. Similarly, here v is equal to 8 by 96. We get u is equal to 1 by 8 and v is equal to 1 by 12. Already we have u is equal to 1 by x minus y, v is equal to 1 by x plus y. Comparing these two equations, left hand sides are same. So we can equate this right hand side, that is 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by x minus y. Similarly, 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by x plus y. So here rearranging this equation, we get x minus y is equal to 8. Similarly, rearranging this equation, we get x plus y is equal to 12. Now we have two equations. Let's consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Solving this equation by elimination method, we get x and y. So adding these two equations, cancelled, these two y's are cancelled. So 2x equal to 20, x equal to 10. Substituting this x value in equation 2, or you can substitute in 1 also, we get a y value. So y is equal to 2. So we got the answer, that is x and y value, that is speed of boat in still water, that is x is equal to 10 km per hour, and speed of the stream, that is y value is 2 km per hour.